Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set time.
To set the time, just say the current time. For example, 5:07 p.m. Tell me the current time.
3:01 a.m.
The time is now set to 3:01 a.m.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Set alarm.
Set the alarm. Just say the time you want the alarm to sound. For example, 6:15 a.m. Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
3:03 a.m.
The alarm is now set to 3:03 a.m.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Time.
The time is 3:01 a.m.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Alarm.
The alarm is now set to 3:03 a.m. The alarm is on.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Alarm sound.
To choose an alarm sound, say alarm 1, alarm 2, or alarm 3.
Alarm free. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Sleep sound.
To choose a sleep sound, say sound 1, sound 2, sound 3.
Sound free. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Play sleep sound. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Today date.
Today is Monday, April 21st, 2008.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Temperature.
The temperature is 78 degrees Fahrenheit.
Turn off the alarm.
The time is 3:03 a.m. Today is Monday, April 21st. The temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Light. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Light. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Help.
You can say time, set time, alarm, set alarm, alarm sound, sleep sound, play sleep sound, today's date, temperature, night light, or help. In between the alarm, say turn off the alarm.
Time.
The time is 3:04 a.m.
Hello, Moshi. Hello, Moshi.
Command, please.
Turn off the alarm.
The alarm is off.